My dear students, we were watched the videos on Rikki Tikki Tavi Part 1 and Part 2. Today, we will go through Rikki Tikki Tavi Part 3. Those who didn't watch first two parts, please search and watch. My dear students, welcome to the World Literature. Let's begin with Rikki Tikki Tavi Part 3. After finished the breakfast, Rikki Tikki Tavi moved to the garden where he met Darcy, the tailor bird, who complained him about Nag. At this time, Nag quickly appeared there and spread his hood against Rikki Tikki Tavi. It was so scary. Rikki Tikki Tavi jumped 2 feet back. This is the first time Rikki Tikki Tavi met a live cobra. But he ate many dead cobras that his mom gave to him. Really, it is not a good thing for a mongoose to fear of cobras. I must have to fight, Rikki Tikki decided. It is not good if you eat fledglings when it goes out of the nest, Rikki Tikki Tavi said to Nag. Let's talk. Nag stared at him and said, Behind you, look behind you. Darcy sang a warning song. Rikki Tikki Tavi understood the danger from the song and jumped up as much as he could and saved himself from Nagaina. Nag's wife Nagaina attempted to kill Rikki Tikki Tavi, but Darcy's timely alert saved his life. When Rikki Tikki Tavi was talking to Nag, his wife Nagaina crept there and attacked him, but failed. When Rikki Tikki Tavi heard her hissing sound, quickly jumped up, then returned to her back and bit her. The bite was not hard because Rikki Tikki understood that he cannot attack two cobras simultaneously. At the same time, he feared the terrible return attack from the wounded cobra, so he jumped back and left the cobra behind. Wicked, wicked, wicked Darcy, Nag said. Nag jumped up to attack Darcy's nest, but failed because the position of the nest is very high, where the snakes cannot approach. Both snakes hid behind the grass, but Rikki Tikki Tavi didn't follow them because he doesn't have the confidence that he can defeat them. Rikki Tikki Tavi knew very well about the revenge of a wounded snake. It may come at any time with an unexpected strike. Rikki Tikki Tavi decided to go back to the house. When he entered the yard, he saw Teddy's coming. He stood so close to him. At this time, Teddy screamed by pointing towards something. Our mongoose killed a snake, which was wriggling on the ground. Rikki Tikki saw Carrot, the snake wriggling on the ground. It was so dangerous, like a cobra. Rikki jumped over it and bit on its neck and rolled over the sand. It is not an easy thing to conquer the little snake because it can easily turn. But after the stiff fighting, Rikki could give a strong bite on its neck, which paralyzed him. Teddy's parents also came there. They found the wriggling snake on the ground. It was dead. The big man took a stick and beat it. Rikki Tikki didn't understand that Why Big Man is beating the dead snake? Anyway, let him enjoy. This mongoose saved our child, his mother said. She took Rikki Tikki Tavi with great love and care. My dear students, the adventure stories of Rikki Tikki Tavi not ended here. Please wait for the upcoming video, Rikki Tikki Tavi Part 4.